Morning guys, it is June 25th, 2025. This one I got a call for AC. Coming on and off. Sounds like it might be going off on low pressure. Newer system. These guys throw these systems in and they don't want to go back and work on them. That's an ECM motor. It's a Bryant. I bet it's low on gas. It's an 18 410A. I should keep shutting off. I bet you it's fucking low on gas. I bet you it's a leaker. Wow, look at the coat on this bitch. Wow. Look at the fur coat on it, mama. Wow. I mean, I could put some in there, but you got a leak somewhere.
Really?
Who put the system in? 410. I think gave it a good cleaning with the hose, but it's going. It's. You want me to put some gas in it to get you by?
Yep. So what do I need?
You need Freon. See your subcooling at 1?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like 11. See your 86? 86 is too low. It's got to be above 100. Your superheat's low. I mean, you're low on Freon. You want me to add some so you can get by for now? I mean, we're gonna have to figure out where the leak is, but ain't gonna be today. You want to add it?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Well, we're getting a little bit. We got a little bit of subcooling there. It's not crazy bad, but we're gonna give it a little douche. Gonna give it a little 410. Bring that subcooling up. Looks like it's an 18. 18, so that's not that old. What's the subcooling on this thing called for? 10 on the subcooling. Give it a little doucheroo. Flipping coil was flipping bad. I hit it with the garden hose. I'm gonna bring this up to 10. Not crazy bad, but it's probably the evaporator leaking. That's a carrier. It's a cereal. What is this? It's a 3-ton. Well, no, it's a 42, 3.5 ton. Yeah, it's a carrier. You don't know who put it in? It's not that old. 18, so it's only like 7 years old. It's not that far off on gas. I mean, add a little bit. It's probably the evaporator that's bad. You know? You should call the guy back that put this in. It should have a 10-year warranty on it.
Yeah, I gotta find out who that was.
I'm sure you can look it up, no? This will get you by for now. Put some gas in it. Right?
Alright. I can't find him. Can I call you back?
The only way to really find the leak is isolate the line set, the condensing unit, and the inside unit. Pressurize it. That's the best way. Then you can know exactly where the leak is. But it's a little bit of work to do that because you got to isolate each equipment, each piece, and put nitrogen in it. That's the proper way of doing it. To find out exactly where the leak is, you know? You can sniff for it. Sometimes you can get some hits, but it's not a guaranteed thing, you know?
Dangerous.
Huh? I would try to find out who put it in and call him back first.
Yeah,
Because, you know, if he's got a 10-year warranty under the equipment, I mean, you got to go through him to, the best to go through him to get it fixed, right?
Yeah.
This is a Carrier. You don't deal with Carrier around here. I mean, I can get the stuff, but I'm not a Carrier dealer.
Yeah.
If you're a Carrier dealer, you know, you got more of a better of a chance of. And this is the 410A stuff. They stopped making this. They come out with some new stuff now. You know the government, how screwed up it is? It's a mess. To see what they want for the new refrigerant now. It's a shortage of it. They can't even get it. What a shit show. Alright, so we put some gas in it. Look at us subcooling up. I didn't put that much in it. It was down like 4.5 on the subcooling. We'll run it for a bit, but needed a good cleaning, man. That's for sure. I'll give it a little bit more. Don't want to overshoot it either. It's got a leaker here. It's a leaker.
How long do you think this will last?
Depends on how bad the leak is. How long is my marriage gonna last? You tell me that and I'll tell you how long this charger's gonna last.
How long you been there?
I'm not married. I tried that once. It didn't work out for me so well.
My anniversary.
Yeah, how many years?
57.
Wow, good for you.
Not a bad.
57, wow. You got lucky. It wasn't off by much. Give it a little douche. A little douche will do you, mama. It worked out. The subcoolant should be 10. That's right where we're at there. Good. I'll leave it right there.